they've called the police on us for no fucking reason when they in the wrong. Chicago Auto Place in Bensenville, never deal with these people again, man. Never deal with these people again. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tamain here, bringing you another video. Besides a video, an update on what the hell is going on. I know y'all been dying for me to post a video. It's been about 2 to 3 weeks. And as you can tell by the title, things have gotten ridiculous. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm just gonna update y'all, update whoever has been watching on the whole situation that's been going on from the past 2 weeks with this Mustang. I bought my Mustang, 2014 5.0 Mustang, about 2 weeks ago, right? The first day I got it, check engine light popped on. The clutch was not sounding right at all. So 2 days later, I took it back to the dealership. Told the dealership, the general manager, quote unquote, everything that was wrong with the car. And this is what they did. The check engine light came on and it was my cylinders that were misfiring. So they put new coils and spark plugs, 2 coils and 2 spark plugs in the cylinders that were misfiring. After they put the coils and the spark plugs back on, the check engine light popped back on in the process of them, you know, test driving the car after they put it on. So they had to keep the car a day, and they took it to one of these performance shops that, you know, that they work with, trusted shops, and they had to reprogram the car because they put a new clutch in this car. And sometimes if you put a new clutch in these Mustangs, 2014, 2013, it might cause the cylinders to misfire and might throw a code. So they reprogrammed the car. That code is gone. It's been about a week and a half. The code has not popped back up, so that's good. However, regarding my clutch, like, even you guys might be able to hear it now. To be honest, it's like not disengaging right at all. Nah, you probably didn't hear it there. Watch it now. You guys hear that? Yep. Replay that back. I'm going third gear. Hear it again. Oh my gosh, that was not good at all. Not good. That was actually the worst. Whatever sound that was. Let me see if I can even actually go back in third gear. Okay, I can go in third gear. But I tell the guy about the clutch, the general manager, I'm telling you guys, I did not do anything wrong to this guy. This guy was just cursing me out for no reason. He thought I did a burnout in the car, thought I beat the car. And it was just straight up disrespecting me, and I'm trying to get things negotiated here because they gave me a car when the clutch is messed up. So a few days ago, I went back to the dealership and I called them. I told them about the clutch. I had a 500-mile warranty on this car with the dealership and a 2-week warranty. Me being stupid, I guess, I told them that when the clutch was supposedly a problem, I told them, okay, maybe it's not broken in yet because it was a new clutch. The clutch needed to be broken in, 500 miles. But my warranty was only 500 miles too, so, you know, the two didn't add up for me. So I ended up driving 700 miles on the car. However, I told him the clutch was a problem before I even drove 500 miles on the car. Brought the car back to the dealership, me and my dad, and we asked, you know, this general manager, is he gonna fix my car? Because the tech, supposedly he drove the car again. He said the problem got worse. The tech was a-okay. He was cool about it. He just didn't have any control over anything. You know, it's an aftermarket clutch in this car, supposedly what they said. They didn't order the OEM clutch. I don't even know the brand of the clutch in the car. I tried to get the brand from them, but supposedly the guy that ordered the clutch, he doesn't even work there anymore, so there's no way of them getting the brand of the clutch. I told them, you know, I need the brand of the clutch. Just try to get me it. They still didn't get me that. So I don't know what type of clutch is in this car, but the clutch has failed. The mechanic, he said they should have put an OEM clutch in here and the clutch must have failed because this clutch, it sounds so bad right now, and possibly my transmission is going out too. I need to probably get a rebuilt transmission. I told the general manager, like, I told you about this clutch when I came to you, you know, the guys in the video that was 2 weeks ago. I told him about the clutch at that time because he was freaking arguing with me over the freaking clutch because I did a burnout in it and a freaking I was beating the car. But this dude just told me, you didn't tell me about no clutch. I'm not gonna fix it. I'm not fixing your clutch. You know, this and that. Telling me is not gonna fix my car because I did not tell him about it. So I'm sitting here in shock, man. Me and my dad, we're like literally arguing with this guy. Like, are you fucking serious right now? I'm calling this dude a liar, you know, everything. Well, I just called him a liar. I didn't call him any other names. I just called him a liar at that point. So he gets mad and he just walks out on us. Goes in his office. He says, I'm done here. I'm not fixing your car. This and that. We're done here. So I'm thinking like, no fucking way. This guy just did this shit again on some bullshit. Supposedly, I didn't tell him about the clutch. How did I tell you about the clutch? I got it on video. I told your mechanic and I told the salesman who sold me the car about the clutch. Do this. So we go after this guy again, and we've been going at it for like 20 minutes in the dealership. Tell the guy again, I'm like, dude, you have to fix this clutch because I told you this problem before. He was like, no, you did not tell me this problem before. I'm like, dude, why do you keep lying? He was like, see, you keep calling me a liar, we're done here. He kept getting offense by me calling him a liar, which he is a damn liar and a damn crook for fucking doing this shit to me and fucking me over on a fucking $20,000 plus car when I have it all on video. At this point, trying to get this guy to fix the car, he kept saying no, so I basically did not have no leverage of doing anything. And I called the guy a hypocrite, and I told him we're not done here yet. Him and some of his associates took that as a threat, and they said, well, we got cameras all over here. Is that a threat? Is that a threat? There's cameras and video taping you all over here. So you try anything, then we're gonna catch you on camera. I'm like, what are you talking about? Ain't nobody threat you. Ain't nobody threaten you, dude. Like, are you fucking serious right now? Like, all of them, like, you know, at least 3 of them guys getting all offensive just because I said we're not done here. And at that point, I'm still in the situation of trying to figure some stuff out, but basically, they're not gonna fix the car because I bought the car as is. And basically, that's where I may have messed up. However, how the situation was handled, that was not the way a situation should be handled to a customer ever in any business at all. So I basically stand outside of this dealership thinking again, like, what the hell can I do? You know, call my bank, seeing if I can return the car, see if they can do anything. They couldn't do anything simply because it's all a money problem here. You know, everybody wants their damn money. I gave the dealership so much money down on this car, they just take it away from me and don't do shit. And this guy's just a piece of shit, this fucking general manager and the salesman too. Fuck both of you guys, fuck both of them, to be honest. They basically kicking us out. You know, they lock the doors and everything, and they're sitting outside watching us in the parking lot, just sitting outside talking on the phone with my bank, trying to get things negotiated and seeing what the hell I can do. Next thing you know, the damn cops pull up, and these motherfuckers gonna call the cops on us simply because we kept coming back and forth arguing with them trying to get my car fixed. At this point, it was just done for it. The guy told me he's not gonna fix the car 5 times in front of my face. So basically, I couldn't do anything. So we just took off basically as soon as the cops came there. In the end, I'm gonna be keeping the car. I'm gonna keep the car. I'm gonna fix the car. It's gonna be the project car for the channel. It's like a whole new chapter for this channel because it's the main thing that I really wanted to do. Just waited 2 weeks because I had to test out, you know, how this car was gonna be, how it was gonna drive, the answers that I was gonna get. And I didn't want to, you know, put a video out too fast and then say something wrong or, you know, everything else coming up. But got an official answer, got official things that I'm gonna do with the car. I'm gonna put a new clutch in. I'm gonna have to get a rebuilt transmission in the car pretty soon, possibly, hopefully by next week or 2. I'm hoping I can still drive the car around for some short distances, but I'm not gonna drive it anywhere far to be messing up the car. It's very nice outside and I can't even enjoy my car right now, but I guess it's all right. But it's not all right at the same damn time, you know. I'm not supposed to get a new clutch and a new transmission in the car that I just bought, especially in a $20,000 plus car. That's ridiculous. However though, I mean, you can be mad at one moment, but hey, I gotta deal with it, and it is what it is. I can't forget one more thing, man. One more thing this dealership popped me for, man. This dealership really got me, man. All 3 wheels on my car are 255s. And we got a freaking hole here that's opening up, and this wheel's 245. 245, and this is the rear. 255. 40, 19. That's fine. But we got fucking mismatching wheels here. I didn't notice it. Someone noticed it. And then they told me, but this is all after I noticed when the warranty is over with the car. Supposedly when you buy a car as is, that's how someone brought in the damn car. But you're gonna fucking sell someone a $20,000 plus car with mismatching wheels? Like, come on now. I know they probably will never solve this problem themselves because I didn't see it. Okay, I'll give them that. But I let them know and they're still not gonna fix it. So I'm gonna have to deal with it. The trim panel missing still. They gave me one, I found one. However, the other one fell off. The other trim panel fell off of the damn car. They got me, man. They got me. So when I left the dealership, I was pretty pissed off, man. I was thinking, pissed off, mad. But you know what? This song came on. Sunday Best. And then you know what? It's like, fuck them guys. It's gonna be alright, cause I'm gonna fix this shit, and this channel gonna be on the road, man. They ain't stopping me. Subscribe to the channel if you new, man. We gone.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk